Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I hope you all are doing great. Students, in today's video, we are going to talk about the number of chapters that can give you around 600 or 650 marks. It depends how well you complete these chapters. So here today we are going to talk about approximately 50 chapters which can genuinely give you 600 plus marks, but it depends that how do you complete these chapters. And it is not like some personal hunch, it is on the basis of the previous year paper analysis, right? The pattern that we see in the NEET examination. On the basis of that, we are talking about the number of chapters here. So let's talk about the physics first. Let's start with the physics first. See, before starting the chapters, I'll give you one suggestion. This video, firstly, this video is for those students who started late and who are done with their syllabus, but they are confused that how to go for the revision. Okay, see students, now it should not be class 11th and class 12th syllabus. It should not be there in your mind that I'll complete the 11th syllabus first, then I'll go for the 12th syllabus, or I'll finish the 12th first or the 11th. No, that should not be there. Right, that should not be there, not at all. It should be like complete syllabus, and now go as per the duration. Yes, even if you have started late, go as per the importance of the chapter. Even if you have started late, but still go for that thing, that which chapter is important and which chapter is not that important. Accordingly, make a plan. So I believe you are watching this video today, right? That is the 30th. Okay, so you still have one day before you start your 1st January 2026. And trust me, it doesn't matter. It's just the change in the year and the dates. But if you decided that I am going to change my attitude and I am going to utilize these remaining 4 months sincerely, then trust me, nobody can stop you to get good marks in the NEET examination. So as I said, what you have to do now, there is no need to see the syllabus as 11th and 12th syllabus. Just focus on the syllabus as the NEET syllabus and just focus on the important chapters. So as I said, focus on the important chapters. So if you have started late, go for the most important chapters first. And when it comes to the most important chapters, the list that I'm going to provide you, it is as per the importance of that chapter, as per the previous year paper analysis. So it's not like that if they are important and if you don't know about them, that chapters, then you will just watch a very short video on that, or you will not go for the detailed videos. I'll suggest you that if you have idea of that chapters, then it is good. Otherwise, watch a detailed one shot of that and then start solving the MCQ. So when we talk about the physics, in the physics, it is a practice, right, that you have to do. And when it comes to practice, if you are attending any batch online or offline, whatever your teachers are suggesting you, go for that MCQs. So you have to solve PYQs. You have to make sure that you do not miss any single question from the NCERT, even if it is the physics. So dual nature of matter, atoms and nuclei, 5 to 6 questions are expected. Current, electricity, 3 to 4 questions are expected. Semiconductor, 3 questions. Magnetic effects and EM induction, 4 to 5 questions. Ray optics, wave optics, 5 questions. Thermodynamics, 2 to 3 questions. Kinematics, 2 to 3 questions. Unit and measurement, 2 questions. Rotation, 2 to 3 questions. And electrostat, 4 to 5 questions are there. So these are the important chapters which you have to complete first. Okay, so if you have started late, then this is very important for you to complete these chapters first. And as I said, you'll go for the detailed one shot, then you will practice the question, because here it is the practice that can help you. So don't be like, if I have started the class 12th physics, I'll start from the first chapter. No, just start the modern physics, because we know that is easy. Plus, it will be very scoring as well. So prepare accordingly, prepare wisely if you have wasted your time. And if you have done your syllabus well, and now you are looking for the revision plan, again, this is my suggestion, that when it comes to the revision, just focus on the most important chapters first. I'm not saying leave other chapters, but that are the most important chapters which you should focus. You should have command on that chapters. Then let's go for the so thermodynamics and all, this is what I have discussed. When it comes to the biology, so if you are planning, though I'm just suggesting you the most important chapters, we are not saying other chapters are not that important, but yeah, just to just to guide you that how can you proceed with the preparation. When it comes to the biology, I believe you people should target at least 320 marks in biology. So overall biology is important, but here the very, very important chapter, and from the chapters from where you will get maximum questions: molecular basis of inheritance, principles of inheritance and variation, evolution, Biotech is there. Principal applications. Yes, you won't believe that I think in 2022 or 2023, 11 questions were there from biotechnology, that is 44 marks. Then plant physiology, all the 3 chapters, right? All the 3 chapters you have to go for. Human physiology, all the 6 chapters, human reproduction, sexual reproduction, human health and disease, right? Then ecology, all the 3 chapters, cell cycle, animal kingdom, biomolecules, plant kingdom, biological classification. So if you will check previous year papers, you will definitely get question from these part. When it comes to the human physiology, the uniform distribution is not there, right? Sometimes, they ask the chapter questions from one chapter, sometimes from another. So that distribution is not at all uniform. That I'll tell you very clearly. But still, even if the distribution is not uniform, we cannot miss these chapters. So here I'll suggest you can even pick up the most important topics of these chapters if you don't know about them, and then you can simply read the NCERT. But overall, this is my suggestion that these are the chapters which you should know from the scratch. Okay, you can watch my Game of NEET sessions. You'll get all the details because these chapters are literally very, very, very scoring. And then you can go for the smart preparation as well. Like for an example, if I have to study anatomy, I'll write all the peculiar feature of all the sections. I'll start revising them. If I'm talking about the reproductive health, I'll focus on the art, assisted reproductive technology. That's how you can, go for the most important topics. So don't worry, soon I'll share the paper prediction for the biology as well. But still, I'm just guiding you that how can you proceed. But if you revise them in this particular sequence, because this is as per their importance, okay, so then definitely you'll complete majority of your syllabus. I keep on repeating this thing, guys, that your 80% syllabus is going, 80% paper is going to be from your 20% syllabus. You keep it in your mind. Your 80% paper will be from that 20% most important syllabus, and that is something that you have to master. So for the biology, I'll suggest you that read it completely, revise it completely. But still, if you think that no ma'am, we have started late, so these are the chapters which you are not at all allowed to miss, right? You should definitely go for them. And see, there are, if you have checked your syllabus, you know that there are certain topics which are not given in the NCERT, but they are the part of your syllabus. Don't do that. First of all, complete everything which is given in NCERT. Be smart. If there is any topic which is taking your 2 to 3 days, but it is just giving you one question, then there is no point of wasting the time on that particular part. You can just utilize that time for solving the question and everything. So if you know a chapter, very good. Otherwise, watch the detailed one shot. You'll get all the content on Unacademy NEET English channel. Then solve the PYQs. Solve as much as you can. Read NCERT here. This is the way out. Then when it comes to chemistry, mole concept, chemical bonding, GOC plus reaction mechanism, thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, equilibrium, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, hydrocarbon, coordination compound, P block, amines, and the structure of atom. So around 20 chapters are there in chemistry. So 2 to 3 questions you basically get from all the chapters. So somewhere, right, you'll because you have 45 questions, so accordingly the distribution is. But these are the chapters which you can start and which you cannot leave. So if you have prepared them well, very good, revise them, solve the PYQ. For the inorganic chemistry, you know that you have to focus on the NCERT, and whatever are the important name reactions from the organic, you start making their short notes, the formula sheet. By this time, your formula sheet should be ready. But if not, then start working on that. For physics, for chemistry, wherever you have to use a particular formula, because sometimes some questions are direct. So make the formula sheets, right? Write down important name reaction, important reagents, important inorganic exceptions on one paper. When it comes to the biology, wherever you are repeatedly making the mistake, write down that on the paper, right? When it comes to the examples of the animal kingdom or the plant kingdom, though I share the tricks, but still just give every day 5 to 10 minutes for cramming the facts from the biology part. This is how you can distribute your time as well. So it doesn't matter, because you already know what is important, what is not. But the problem is you are not able to focus on that. You just get distracted every time when you start preparing. That is the main thing. And that is where you have to work out. Right, whenever you started feeling like that, oh, I'm reading physics, I should go for chemistry, just remind this thing to yourself that you will again waste your time. So it's better to focus on one subject, one thing at a time, one chapter at a time, and do not go like this, I'll finish physics first, chemistry. No, you have to take all the three together. So here I have posted few days back, I have posted this video as well for the biology detailed strategy video. You can follow that as well. It will clear all your doubts. So prepare wisely. And just to help you in that, you know that we have launched our crash course. This is the complete team. We are the teachers that are going to help you there, right? We four are basically going to take this crash course, and you know that the crash course is starting from the 1st of Jan. So 1st of Jan, if you talk about the biology, I'll tell you 2:15 p.m. This will be our orientation session, okay? I'll give you the complete plan here. I know. You must be thinking I'll start from the cell, but I'm changing some things a bit. I'll let you know why. So orientation session, but that is not the only thing. At 4:15, I am starting Plant Kingdom for you. I'll start the diversity portion first. Why? Because I'll give you the tips and tricks here. This is something which is memory based. I'll finish it first so that you can, as I said, you have to give your 10 to 15 minutes to each subject for cramming the things. So you can focus on that part as well. So this is something that you have to do. 2:15 p.m. orientation session, 4:15 Plant Kingdom. This is a slot that I'll be using, right? So if I'll tell you my 1 week plan, because we have 32 chapters, no doubt your crash course will finish on 30th of April, but I am trying so that we can I just want to free you people by, 10th or 15th of April, so that rest of the time you can just revise, you can just clarify your doubts with me. So 1 week plan, so I'll give you 2 chapters. I'll finish 2 chapters in 1 week. Parallelly we will go. So I'll start the human health part, right? And even I'll go for the Plant Kingdom for all of you. So this is my plan. So yeah, here we'll discuss them in details, keeping NCERT in our mind. In class, NCERT exemplar will be solved, which will give you the idea that what sort of questions can come in your paper. Literally, it will give you an idea. Okay, and I'll share the DPPs with all of you. So the entire team is going to work like that, right? We'll make sure that we'll complete your syllabus. So as I said, I'll start with the important chapters first, right? I'll focus on the diversity first, so that later on you will get time for the quick revision. So this is about the dream crash course, and trust me, you don't have to pay much for this. So what you have to do, go to the description box of this particular video or any other video of mine. You have to click on the link there, right? You'll get this. So if you apply this coupon code, you'll get this batch just at ₹2374. But I'll suggest you that you should go for the, along with this, you can even go for one more thing, right? If with crash course, if you go for URTS, Unacademy revision test series, you can get it at 2,999, and then even applying the coupon code, you'll get the further relaxation. So in this amount, you'll get the detailed lecture, you'll get the MCQ practice, all your doubts will be solved. So we are starting it from first, and as I said, I have shared my slot and 1 week plan with all of you, right? I'll come up with another week plan as well. So that's what we have to do. So without wasting your time, join the batch, start your preparation. Please be focused. Do not just jump here and there. Just make your mind that now I have to invest these last 4 months wisely. I have to give my best. I cannot afford any distractions, and trust me, you will make it. So all the best. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Keep watching Unacademy NEET English.